Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Word. Go to File, then Options, and open Proofing so you can change autocorrect now. Once there, click Autocorrect Options to expose the Replace table and rules. This is where automatic replacements live. You must ensure Replace Text as you type is enabled so entries apply as you type. Make a quick rule now by typing the incorrect form and its correction into the two boxes. This establishes the core behavior and saves time later. You add entries by typing the exact trigger and replace, and the corrected text in with, then click Add. This is how you teach word patterns. Once done, use phrase replacements for boilerplate text, signatures, or special symbols so you don't repeat typing. Make sure to test case sensitivity options and exceptions. Word can match whole words only, so include spaces or punctuation if needed. If a replacement misfires, select it and click Delete to remove the rule and avoid repeated mistakes. You finalize by reviewing exceptions to prevent autocorrect from changing proper nouns or code fragments. Add items there so Word skips them. Once done, save changes. For broad deployment, copy autocorrect entries into normal. .them or export your template so others get the same rules. Make sure to restart Word to load updates. If things go wrong, Word still replaces text unexpectedly. Open exceptions. Temporarily disable replace text as you type to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.